Let's take a look at our storm. As of right now, a little bit better organized than it was yesterday. Still a tropical storm, but we have hurricane watches in Jamaica, in Haiti, and the reason is we are certain this will become a hurricane. Those will become warnings very shortly. We're dialing in the track, all right? It's not that sort of that round baseball shape I was showing you before. We feel this is going to become a hurricane tomorrow. By Sunday, a Category 3. By Monday, a Cat 5. A Cat 4, but 2 miles shy of being a Cat 5. Cat 4 as it makes a landfall, we believe, around Jamaica, exiting, probably still as a Cat 4, hitting Cuba as a Cat 3, then over the Bahamas probably as a Category 2. Yesterday, it was blocked in place by a couple of high-pressure systems, one pushing from the south, one pushing down from the north. Well, one high has kind of bowed out. The secondary high is now still blocking it, but it's pushed to the east, and that's why it's going to stay in place for another 2-3 days and just get bigger and bigger. Eventually, that will get sucked in by this jet stream, and the storm itself will then move over the Bahamas and out to sea. In our country, we deal with an angry ocean, but for places like Jamaica, Haiti, eastern Cuba. Look at this. This word is from the National Hurricane Center. Catastrophic rainfall, up to nearly 3 feet of rain, mountainous terrain. There's going to be mudslides. I am fearful for what we will find by the time we get into next week for this portion of the Caribbean. And gentlemen, we didn't even touch upon the fact that on top of all that, you've got 140-mile-per-hour winds battering in Jamaica. Jamaica, I think, is going to take the worst of it.
All right, Lonnie Quinn. Thank you, Lonnie.